In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch movies on Google Meet with sound. By the end, you'll be able to share a movie from your browser so everyone in the meeting can see and hear it clearly. First, sign into your Google account and join your Google Meet. Make sure your camera and microphone settings are how you want them, and confirm you're in the meeting before you start setting up the share. It's a good idea to use a stable internet connection and a modern browser like Chrome or Edge for the best audio sharing support. Next, open the movie in a separate browser tab. This could be a streaming service or a video you're allowed to play in the browser. Get it ready by loading the page, setting the quality to auto or a resolution your connection can handle, turning on subtitles if you need them, and pausing it at the spot where you want to begin. Keeping it in a separate tab helps you share just the movie without exposing your whole desktop. Now return to your Google Meet window and click the share screen button at the bottom. You'll recognize it by the screen icon with an upward arrow. When the sharing options appear, choose to share a browser tab rather than your entire screen or a window. Sharing a tab provides smoother video and, most importantly, proper audio routing to the meeting. Select the tab where your movie is open. Before you start sharing, look for the audio toggle beneath the tab list. In Chrome and Edge, it's labeled something like Share Tab Audio. Turn that on. This is the key step that sends the movie sound into the meeting so everyone hears it. If you don't see the toggle, make sure you're using a supported browser and that any required permissions are granted. On some systems, you may need to allow screen recording or audio sharing in your operating system settings. Click Share and you're live. Switch to the Movie tab and press Play. To avoid echoes, consider muting your own microphone or wearing headphones while the movie is playing. You can adjust the tab's volume as needed, and you can pause or rewind normally. If anyone reports choppy playback, try closing unnecessary tabs, lowering the video resolution, or pausing briefly to buffer. And remember to respect the streaming platform's terms and local laws when sharing content. When you're done, stop sharing from the small banner or the Meet controls, and you're back to the meeting. That's it. Simple, clear, and great sound for everyone.